Hello, welcome to another YouTube video. In this video I want to check the concatenation by plus operation and by a string builder and append operation. So without wasting any time, let's go for it. If you want to concat two string or multiple string, we have two options. We can use plus and also we can use append in a string builder. So which one should we use? If we have multiple concatenation or the performance is critical in our code or working with large data sets, we should use a string builder because the performance and the efficiency of the string builder is much better than the concatenation by plus. Why? Because the strings are immutable, and when we doing concatenation operation by plus, every time we doing the concatenation by this operation, it creates a new object of string and copying the original string to it and then appending the new string to it. So if we have multiple concatenation, it always creates a new object and filling that, and the garbage collector must collect all the garbage data, so it leads to inefficiency and higher execution time. But when we use a string builder, it creates a single buffer and doing all the operation of appending strings in that. If we want to check the benchmark of these two methods, it is like this. The do-string concatenation takes over 100 microseconds and the do-string builder operation takes 6 microseconds. So it is much better in performance and execution time. It was for today's video and I hope you find this video useful. Please subscribe, like the video and give your feedback to me. I like to hear your opinions and your feedbacks about this kind of videos. Also, the source code of this project is available on my GitHub and you can access to this. And until another video, be peaceful.